Hello everyone, this is Her Destiny, and yes, I am out here in the heat of the day. It is noon and it is very hot here in South Florida. I don't know where it is where you are, but it's hot enough to fry eggs out here on this pavement. So thank you all for tuning in. It is Monday, the beginning of the week. Thank goodness we have all made it. It is another great day to be alive. Regardless of the news every day with all the negativity, we've got to get up, keep it moving, keep it positive. All right, so to all of you that's joining me, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. This is Her Destiny, and yes, even though it's hot, I had to come here. This is a little neighborhood park, and it has a city hall build pavement area, so I had to come through, so I said might as well do a video. And the water hitting me feels so good. So I don't know what the temperature is where you are today, but so far the map is saying it's hot everywhere. And we have gotten a lot of rain the past weekend, but as soon as the rain stops, the heat's right back again. It's almost like oven baked weather. So yes, I'm here, you're there. It may be morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. So to those of you here, thank you so much. Now there is a great breeze blowing today, so I hope my little camera phone doesn't fall over. It's blowing a little bit harder than I expected. Well, I'm just going to sit here a few more minutes. I'm not trying to turn into Frankenstein because that's what it feels like, the heat burning on my back. As you all know, I have been here, those of you who've been here with me for a minute, over 2 years now, and I know I'm just moving along at a snail's pace. Bear with me, but thank you all so much for still being here. I really do appreciate that. So I'm going to move it along to another little area that's got a little bit more shade. I do hope you can see me because I cannot see the camera right now because of the sun. I tried to position in a way that you could see me. I am here in the sunny South Florida, and as you all know, most of the year is warm and hot and humid. So we don't really get a break. So by the time summer gets here, it's almost like being in hell. But no, I don't want to go there or be there. Okay, here I am. I had to move around a little bit because the wind blew my camera right over, just like I suspected it would, or expected it would. So here I am again. I'm going to move, like I said, in some area with a little bit more shade. Well, it's a little bit busier over there, but I'm going to see if I can ease on over there anyway. For the time being, I'm going to just show a little bit of this water fountain. As always, thank you all for being here. This is Her Destiny. Signing off. Till the next time. Enjoy.